Very pleasingly, New South Wales has passed the 85% figure on first doses. That is an outstanding result. And as we literally gallop towards that 70% double dose, it's very pleasing to see that number go up, and I'd love to see us hit that 90% figure in the near future. In terms of second doses, we're just off 60%, so we're at 59.25% today, and I'm hoping in the next 48 hours we'll definitely hit that 60% double dose figure, which again is a wonderful achievement for New South Wales. 12 to 15-year-olds, we have 37% who've received their first dose, and I want to thank parents for really going to that effort in encouraging their children, or encouraging that age group to be vaccinated. And when we hit that 70% double dose, the knowledge that we'll be around at least 90% first dose plus coverage of that 12 to 15 age group gives us that extra level of comfort that we're able to proceed safely at that stage. To 8 p.m. yesterday, we had 961 cases of community transmission, and unfortunately 9 people lost their lives to 8 p.m. yesterday, and we extend our deepest and heartfelt condolences to the loved ones of those who died. And Dr. Jeremy McAnulty will give an update in his report. Pleasingly, we are seeing case numbers in southwestern and western Sydney continue to have a downward trend, but unfortunately in the Illawarra and Central Coast we're seeing more case numbers than we'd like to see, so we ask those communities in particular to remain vigilant. Now, there's not long to go before New South Wales starts approaching that 70% double dose figure, and I ask everybody to please hold the line. It's really important that we work hard now so that when we do start opening up at 70% double dose, we're able to do so safely and by bringing everybody together with us. And I do want to foreshadow that the New South Wales Government is very close to finalising our roadmap for 80% double dose, but also our roadmap as to when unvaccinated people will be able to participate in greater activity, and we'll be releasing that this week. And I want to thank all those in government and experts who've been providing input into that process, as well as stakeholders. But today, being at Shanes Park is a wonderful reminder that whilst we are dealing with the pandemic, dealing with the challenge of what comes our way, we're also making sure we get on with good government and good policy, and converting more than 500 hectares of this bushland into a national park is a huge boost for the community. There'll be animal species reintroduced here that haven't been here for a long time. There'll be opportunities for local residents and people from all across the state, all across New South Wales, to come here and enjoy the natural surrounds. And I want to thank all those involved in the process, especially obviously Minister Keane, Minister Ayres, but also the National Parks and Wildlife staff who've worked hard with community advocates to make this possible. I know many have been calling for this for a long time, and it's wonderful to see a national park of this size right in the heart of Western and Northwestern Sydney. I understand the largest national park declaration in the last decade. A huge boost for our community, and a huge boost for demonstrating how important our government values outdoor space, but also protecting our wonderful flora and fauna.